Okay, in this video, let us talk about a simple C program having to link a library, static library, and we need to compile basically three files. So let's see how we can do that. I'll remove this. I just created that program here. I'll delete this as well. So basically, we have uh, three files here. One is our main.c. So main.c, if you see, we have three functions: add, subtract, and multiply. Both all these functions accepts two parameters and return an integer, and it's just printing hello world, initializing x and y, and we are calling those functions. The part is we are not defining these functions here. Instead, we are defining these functions in separate file called mylib1.c and mylib2.c. So these functions are just uh, these files are just functions. So if you see, there is no main in these files, so we need to link basically these files to our main program when it's compiled. So how to create a static library, right? So static library basically, um, like this one, it will end with, um, generally its extension is .a, and we can link this file to our main program when we compile. So we have, this is one of the blog I have seen, so they have a good picture here. So print.f, we are compiling to .o object file. This one also .o object file, random.o, and we have to manually do an archiver. Ar is the command that will archive um, these three files, these three object files, and give us a static library. This one we can link to our main program. So let's see how we can do that. Since we have um, the programs already written, it's very simple. I'm not explaining it in detail, but um, so basically we need to compile um, libc, sorry, mylib1.c. So I'll do object. I need an object file. I hope O is the one. Let's see, 1.c. No input file. Okay. So I think the command is c. Yeah. So when you give gcc dash c mylib1.c, you get a mylib1.object file. So if you want to get help. Oh, I don't have help here. As, H. No. Okay. Okay. Let's leave it. Let's come back and see here. GCC minus D minus C option for object, generating object files. So yeah. Um, let's see. This is same one. Compiling and linking. Yeah. minus d. No, why help is not working? That's what I don't understand. uh, Let me see again. Try help. Oh yeah, it's coming. So where is C? C, compile and assemble but do not link. That's what C. So it just compile but it won't link, so you don't need, it will just basically just create the object files. So we got mylib1.o. Similar way, just do the second one as well, mylib2.c. Yeah, so I got two object file. Now we have this object files. I need to create an archiver, uh, the static library. So for that, AR is the archiver, and RCS, that's what my understanding is. So let's see what is RCS. RCS, R means if the library already exists, replace the old files within the library with your new files. C means create the library if it did not exist. S means sort. So you can do a help as well. Yeah. So where is R? R. R. Yeah. Replace existing or insert new files. C. C means do not want if the library had to be created. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. S means act as run lib. Yeah. Basically, it's running the lib command. Runlib makes a header in the library with the symbols of the object file contents. This helps the compiler to quickly reference symbols. Okay, that's good. Good to know. So having said that, we have the two object files and we learned about AR. So now we can run that command RCS, and what is the command? Subject files, RCS, we need to give the library name and the object files. So the another point is we need to give a lib in front of it, um, even though our library we are going to create is mylib.a we are just added lib in front of it, and now we can give the files we need to archive into this static library. I want my lib1 object file, my lib2 object file. So basically it's like a zipping o.o two files into uh, lib mylib.a file. So let's see what happens. Yeah, I got a file here. I cannot open this, but we have a file libmylib.a. So if I want to see what is the files in it, I can just do tar space t space libmylib.a. No such. Oh, mylib. 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 So I have mylib1.o and mylib2.o in that. So until here we are clear. Then we can go to the next step. Now we have the object files and we have the main.c. So we are good to compile using GCC, I believe. Let's see, have that in my, yeah, I hope this is the one. So GCC main.c, I want to compile my main.c with GCC. Link hyphen L, dash capital L dot. In this current library, what are all files with my, here my lib, yeah, here my lib. So you have noticed that I did ignored the lib, even the file name is lib mylib. I am not giving here that prefix lib, so it's just hyphen L mylib, then dash O, means compile it with file name as my program. Otherwise, if you're not giving a file name, it will just go to default to a dot out, or a.txt. But in this case, um, I want to name it as my program. So let's see what will happen when I compile. So I got, see, the executable my program.exe. So I can execute this. So it's basically print sum, difference and multiplication. So yeah, I got hello world. Oh, I didn't give this slash n. Better to give that as well. um, we can again compile. Yes, it's replaced the file and run it. So hello world, sum, difference and multiplied. So it's worked. It's worked. So if I'm not giving this part, just just hyphen o, it's not compiling this, no such file or directory that. Oh, missing file name. So I thought it will default to a. um, just don't give anything. Main.c, not such file, or where is main.c? It's gone. Who deleted that? Oh, okay, something happened. I think it's rewrote, I think. uh, let's try. See, in main function undefined. Oh, refresh. um, okay, let's copy this, copy and create a file main.c and paste this. Okay, good. I don't know how it got deleted. Let's try one more time. Yeah, see, a.txt. So if you're not giving anything, it will default to a.txt. So I'll delete this and I want I'll delete this as well. My program. So I got my program.exe. So that's what that compilation. So yeah, GCC, let's do some help, research on help. What is minus L? Do they have that here? Wow, it's not here. Hmm. Voting. Okay, then let's go to this GCC minus L option. Overall options minus L. Is it not part of minus L? Do they have that? Okay, linking. I think somewhere I saw. No, linking. Not here. No. Uh, minus L dot. Lowercase. Yeah, minus L. Here they have given. The directory searched includes several standard system directories plus any that specify minus L. Oh, okay. So it will search for linking all the libraries, standard libraries plus what we give here. It's dot. So it's current directory. Yeah. Option manual option. That's good. This is promising. Minus L. Yeah, for example, minus L have more than once. Directories are searched in the order specified. Okay, is there any example? Okay, not much. Okay, yeah, that's that. So it's searching current directory and minus L mylib. That's what this static library. It's archived one. So it has two objects inside this. So it's linking both the objects. So that's what does. So running this GCC, researching it is the commands is tough. So we have make file. We can create a make file. So I already made a make file here. So you can just give what the program name executable you want here, hyphen, what are the files we need to compile. I need to compile main.c, mylib1.c and mylib2.c. You don't need to create the object. So I'll just delete this, delete this as well. And if I'm good, I want to, oh, this might be needed. Let's see. I'm removing this. So, and for doing all these things, you need to have if you are using Windows, you need to have um, GCC in Windows. So when I search this, MSW something, how to install GCC. Yeah, this is the one I installed. M MSW64 is that thing here, or Ming 64. Yeah, let me see what did I install. I installed msys2 hyphen x86 underscore 64. Let me search this, rename. So this is what I installed. Yeah, msys2, this is what I installed. So yeah, you need to patch. Yeah, MIGW, this is what we are installing. And once you have installed it, I think you have almost everything. And in VS Code, you need to have basically C++, make tools, make tools. Yeah, this one for make file you need to have. And there is one more, um, GCC, um, Microsoft. I install. Yeah, this one. Did I install? Yes, this is this one, I believe. If you have this features, debugging, code browsing, commands, is this the one I install? Um, Not this one. Extension. Let's Google itself. VS Code, VS Code, GCC. Yeah, VS Code, GCC. Yeah, C++ extension. Yeah, this one. So I have installed this one as well. So once these two, make file extension and C++ extension pack, if you have both, then you are good to use compile C programs. And also you might need to add those path once you install this, that M, which one did I close that? Yeah, msys2. You need to add the path in the environment path variable, so that you can have that commands in VS Code. Same way the make file command as well. So having said that, this is my make file. I believe this is correct syntax. Let's see, make. Oh, error, so it cannot find mlib, so we need to create this linking library, static library. So for that, let's do that. Ar rcs my oh, if that is the case, then I need to make that objects again. Oh, let me do this. um, gcc fun c my lib.c gcc hyphen c my lib2.c, then ar rcs lib my lib dot a my lib 1 dot o and my lib 2 dot o. Basically I am listing all the commands I have done for compiling this. So first they need to make that first object file, second object file, create an archive, static library, and use this last command for executing. Let's see if this work or not. Now I just need to run my make again. Missing separator. Oh, how do I make file syntax? Make file syntax. Make file. Command, yes, same thing. We just given the commands. What is the problem? Make missing separator. Missing separator. Yeah, missing separator. Oh, we need to give files like this. Oh, FL define a tab is required to start each recipe. All action tabs. Yeah. Basically, I was using space in between those commands. I think between the commands we should use the tab. I think that was the issue. um, let's delete everything. Delete. I don't want object files. Delete. Where is delete? Yeah. Delete this as well. Delete. Yeah. So I have basically my main.c, lib1.c, and lib2.c, and make file. Make file. I have this. I'm saying these three files compile and make the executable with my program name. And you can make the first object file like this, second one like this, and archive it and create a static lib and compile my main.c with -l and look at this current directory for the mylib linking library, static library, and you will see a name with this. Link it and create this program. So let's save this make file and make it. Yes, it's compiling everything and I got the executable. Now I can run my program. Yes, it's producing the same output. I think that's all I need to cover in this video. I just want to show how we can use multiple files and a static library, archive it and link it in our final GCC command. I think that's all I need to cover in this video. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.